Today we will see the objective type question of symmetrical component transformation. So you can see in the video total 4 questions are there and they are similar to each other. Okay. So first question is the transmission line equation are given by below set of equation based on line diagram as given. Identify A and B parameter. Okay, so this is the diagram and you have to find out the A, B, C. You have to find A and B. Okay, so this is the equation is given. So how will find the ABCD parameter of this diagram? Okay, so we can say that this is a load, sorry, this is a receiving and capacitance model, or we can say load condenser method diagram. Okay, so we'll solve the ABCD parameter by taking individual parameter. Okay, first we'll find the Z, ABCD of Z and ABCD of Y. So how we'll solve? Draw this impedance here. Okay, this is IS, this is Vs, this will be IR and this will be VR. Okay, so from the diagram you can see that IS equal to IR, IS equal to IR means same current is flowing through this impedance. Okay, and what will be the Vs? Applying KVL here. Okay, so Vs equal to Z into IR plus VR. Okay, so arrange it in the way of this Vs equal to AVR plus BIR. Okay, so Vs equal to VR plus ZIR. Okay, and Is equal to, rearrange in this form, IR, because VR is not present here. So what will be the ABCD of this Z? So this will be equal to this is 1 here Z, and this is 0 and this will be 1. Okay, understood? Now find the ABCD of the shunt capacitance Y. Okay, admittance, this is IS and this is IR, this will be VS and this will be VR. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So here we can say that Vs equal to VR. Okay, we have find first term Vs equal to VR, and what will be the Is? Is equal to IC plus IR. The value of IC is Y into VR plus IR. Okay, so you can see that the value of Y is equal to ABCD is you can see Vs equal to VR, we only 1. Okay, no of I is 0, and I here I is equal to Y and this will be 1. Okay, now multiply this both ABCD parameter. Okay, so we get ABCD. Okay, so this is 1 Z 0 1 and this will be 1 0 Y 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 into 1 and 1 plus YZ. This will be 1 into 0 Z. This will be equal to 0 into 0 1 into Y, and this will be equal to 0 into 1. Okay, so this is the ABCD parameter of this circuit. Okay, you can find by this method also. So in the question given is what is A and B. So the value of A is, here you can see 1 plus YZ. The value of B is Z, the value of C is Y, and value of D is 1. Okay, so in the question A and B, so where is 1 plus YZ and BZ? So our answer will be A. Okay, now identify A and C parameter of the above diagram. Okay, So the value of A is 1 plus yz and the value of C is y. Okay, so our answer will be C, 1 plus yz and y. Third question is identify A and D parameter. Okay, so we know that A is 1 plus yz and the value of D is 1. So our answer will be A. Okay, 1 plus yz and 1. Identify B and A parameter of the figure. The value of B is z and value of A is 1 plus yz. Okay, so you cannot confuse in the equation B and A. First it is written B and second it is written A. We can also say this is also correct, but here first term is A and here you can see the first term is z and 1 plus yz. Okay, so our answer will be B. Okay. So you can solve this type of numerical aspirant objective type question. Okay.